Hi guys, my name is Surushi and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a fun fitness vlog or a challenge. This time I have decided to cut on sugar and it's gonna be very difficult for me to be honest because I have a sweet tooth. Like I need something sweet after every meal. So it's going to be very difficult for me. I am aware of that, but I just wanted to do this and try this and see um how much self-control I have. So today's the first day and I have decided to take it slow. So maybe I am just thinking that maybe I should do this challenge for 7 days first. And if I succeed to do it for 7 days, maybe I can extend it to 15 days. But currently, I have decided to do it for 7 days. I have already had my breakfast and my lunch. So with cutting sugar, I have also decided to try eating healthy, of course. So I have had two boiled eggs for my breakfast. As soon as I woke up today morning, I actually had a cup of warm water. I don't know the benefits of it. I am going to search about it right now, but I've just heard that it's better if you start your day with warm water. So that's what I have done till now. And if you are interested in seeing if I'll be able to do this challenge or not, or how it goes, please keep on watching. I have been shooting since morning today and I tend to forget that I have to have lunch also. And it's literally 3 o'clock right now and I remembered कि okay, I have to have my lunch. So I'll show you what I'm having for lunch. So, aloo bhindi, two chapatis and a bowl of curd. That's what I'm having for lunch today. I'm now marinating the paneer because I feel like अगर मैं इसको ऐसे ही पका दूंगी I won't be able to like it. I will feel like it's raw. So I've just used some curd, a little bit of lemon, salt, and jeera powder, and what else? A little bit of turmeric and red chili. That's it. And I'm just going to keep it like this for 10 minutes and then fry it. Just look at my dinner. It looks so delicious. I don't think I've ever had a rice bowl looking like this, especially not at home. I am very excited. I've just like finished and garnished it with some chili oil. Yeah, I am excited to try it. I'm gonna tell you how it tasted. Felt like it was easier for the first 2 days. The third day, which is yesterday, I was actually, going through a lot of healthy recipes and even like by watching healthy recipes, I was craving so many things. And I think I was just doom scrolling and it got into my head. Like I was craving for chips in the morning, then I was craving for some sushi in the evening, and then yeah, I was craving a waffle at night. But I didn't do that. I didn't get anything. I asked ChatGPT to give me some better options to, you know, um, to satisfy my cravings, and I just kept doing all of that. जबकि मुझे लग नहीं रहा था कि वो सब करके मेरी cravings जा रही है. I was always thinking about the exact thing that I want to have, but I was just trying not to. Like I have last day was so hard, and I think it's fair that I be very truthful to you guys because I'm doing this challenge for the first time and I had a relapse yesterday night, and I, as I said, I wanted to have a waffle, so I just thought, okay, I get it what I'm feeling, and it's fine. Like, I don't want to be very hard on myself. I'm doing my best. I started this challenge by saying that I won't be having sugar, but I've also gone on to the dieting of like healthy recipes and everything, so I'm not even having junk. So it's a lot for my body to take because I keep munching. So I thought, okay, it's fine. It's the third day. We are like halfway there, and I should not have a waffle, but I won't let this craving die as I have done for the last um 3 days. So what I did was I had Nutella and I just took like this much Nutella. This was just for my mind to feel like okay, you had something sweet. So I took this much Nutella and I had strawberries. So I had like 5 strawberries with this much Nutella. I know some of you will feel like कि ये तो fail हो गए अभी, but I'm not going to take this as a failure. I'm just going to take this that I still controlled my mind and I still told my mind that okay, we are not having a waffle, we are not having a pancake, we are not having an ice cream. You just get this much. And you know what? After like I was trying not to check my weight for almost a week because I don't even know if इतने कम time में weight कम होता है नहीं होता. I've never done anything of this sort, so I don't even know that. But I don't think I've ever mentioned this in the previous like in the start. But I weigh 65 kgs. Well, I weighed myself this morning, and to my shock, I weigh 63.5 kgs. I don't know how. I really don't know how, but I have lost weight. I I have lost 1.5 kgs, and I know it's going to be very 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 difficult to maintain this weight. And I am just telling this as an update. I don't even know if this is the exact weight or if I've actually lost weight. But in the past year, like the whole 2025, whenever I've weighed myself, I've always weighed like my weight was always around 65 or 65.5 or 64.95. I have never in the whole year seen 63. So even if this is not my exact weight or even if I haven't lost weight, I'm just so happy that like I could see a number that I haven't seen in the whole year. So yeah, that's just an update. If you want to have something, just reduce the quantity or just give your brain that signal, okay, see, I'm having something that you wanted to have. So I think it's gonna be fine. I'm not following anyone, I'm making my own rules, but I think it's working for me. And I'm gonna give you a last update after uh 7 days because I have spoken a lot right now and I just wanted to give an update. That's it. I'm gonna weigh myself at the end of this challenge. So fingers crossed. I'm actually liking everything. My energy is high. Um I am not as much hungry as I thought I would be. So yeah. Hot water. I started having hot water once I wake up and I'm reading my second book of 2026. It's just 9th of January and I'm already on my second book. And this happens always. So मैं starting में बहुत books पढ़ लेती हूँ and then I forget about it. But yeah, whatever, I am just reading, I'm just enjoying. I have boiled 2 eggs for breakfast and I have to go for some work today. I'm gonna leave at around 11:30 and I don't know when will I come back. And I don't want to have lunch outside. So I was thinking I'll just have breakfast as soon as possible and I I'm just thinking of making some besan chilla and having it before I leave so that I'm at least full. So that's today's plan. Let's see how it goes. I did my nails on my own. They look very weird, I know, but I just got new nail pins yesterday and I wanted to do something different. So, yeah. Oh my god, look at this yogurt bowl that I've made. It's actually a jar. um, it was looking very aesthetic, so I made it in this. I have just used this. I'm just gonna show you this Epigamia Greek yogurt in blueberry, and I put it first in the jar, then I put one banana sliced, put the yogurt physic on banana, and then I added some strawberries. It looks yummy. This is something that I'm going to use to fulfill my dessert cravings today. Hi guys, good morning. I'm so sorry if you're watching me only in this t-shirt. I have recently gotten this t-shirt and I'm obsessed with it. I swear I wash it, but I just don't have the um patience to wear another one right now. I'm just obsessed with it. So yeah. Coming on, today is finally the last day. It's day 7 and I think I've done pretty well. Like I had cravings maybe once or twice throughout the week, which is a good thing. And I think मेरा जो decision था to have better quality food also while I was doing this challenge, that helped because I have researched so much in these 7 days. Like मैं knowledge का एक भंडार बन गई हूँ अभी फिलहाल about your diets and a lot of things. So, by the way, I'm having my daily warm water. So, I just wanted to come here and tell you guys that it's actually very important about what you are eating throughout your day, also, and not just about not eating sweet. Because I have realized, so basically, what I'm doing is I am having 2 boiled eggs every day for breakfast, and I'm the person जो breakfast करता ही नहीं था. So, um, it was a change at first, but I like it. It's not very heavy, but you don't feel hungry after it. So I think protein helps you do that. And I think that eating right also has a lot to do with your cravings. So if you're eating right, if you are fulfilled, if you're having protein, if you're having carbs, if you're having fiber, and if your body is getting literally everything that it should get from you, then I don't think you're going to um, crave a lot of junk food or sweet for that matter. And I actually had this challenge just for sweet, but I actually didn't even have junk food. And I'm so proud of it because I I love junk food. Like if you know these chips and wafers and all of that, I'm 25 and I still love them. Like I can have them every single day. So that's how much I love them. But I didn't realize that I'm not craving it that much. I craved it for I think once. That whole day was very tough for me. I was just craving something or the other from the start. But I didn't have anything. I think I shared that with you that I had strawberries with half a spoon of Nutella, and I'm not ashamed of saying that because I know I've done a pretty good job at it. Like अगर आप लोगों में से कोई ऐसा है जिसको स्वीट बहुत पसंद है, you will be on my side, जो will understand कि it's pretty hard to control yourself. So I'm doing well. I went for lunch outside yesterday and day before also, so I had my lunch out for 2 days and still I didn't have anything junk. On the first day also I went out and I had coffee, but that cafe had a very different menu for people who are diet conscious right now, and I was so happy. Oh my god, because even though when I had coffee I didn't have sugar, they had there was some fruit name that was mentioned that they have put that for sweetening the coffee. So I'm glad like I could even continue my challenge on those days when I was out, and I'm just so excited to finish this challenge. And I know for sure that I'm going to, now I'm so conscious about my body, about the choices that I make, that now I'm sure that I am actually going to keep this all in mind and really not start having junk and sweets as soon as I complete this challenge. I'm gonna continue this challenge not as a challenge anymore. I think I have developed a good understanding of a lot of things and a good understanding of control over my body, and I'm glad I did it. But I just wanted to come here and give this chota sa gyan because the last 2 days I don't think I have vlogged myself talking to you guys because I was just very busy